Welcome back to Reggae Roots Market, right? Let's talk about something that'll absolutely set your taste buds ablaze, the Jamaican Scotch Bonnet Pepper. Now, if you've ever tried authentic Caribbean cuisine, you've probably met this little firecracker without even realizing it. So, what exactly is a Scotch bonnet? Well, it's a chili pepper, small, wrinkled, and shaped a bit like an old-fashioned Scottish bonnet hat, hence the name. But don't let the cute look fool you. This pepper packs a massive punch. On the Scoville scale, which measures chili heat, the Scotch bonnet can hit anywhere from 100,000 to 350,000 units. That's nearly 40 times hotter than your average jalapeno. But here's the thing, it's not just about the heat. What makes the Scotch bonnet truly special is its flavor. Unlike some chilies that just blow your head off, this one's fruity, almost sweet, with hints of apple and cherry, and even a touch of smokiness. That's why it's at the heart of classic dishes like jerk chicken, pepper sauce, and all sorts of stews across Jamaica and the Caribbean. It brings a unique depth and warmth that's instantly recognizable. Of course, you've got to be careful. I always wear gloves when handling Scotch bonnets. Trust me, you don't want to rub your eyes after chopping one of these. And if you're cooking with them for the first time, start small. A little goes a long way. Please show some love to Reggae Roots Market. So next time you want to spice up your food, reach for the Scotch bonnet. It's not just heat, it's a whole world of Caribbean flavor in a tiny, fiery package. Give it a try and you might just fall in love with that sweet, spicy kick. Thanks for watching.